Hi, I am doing my web tutorial on Pinterest and how you can use it for. My name is Brooke and I'm doing my web tutorial on Pinterest and how you could use it as a teacher. So right now you are looking at the home page of Pinterest. It has different pins related to recent searches. I am going to show you my profile. So up in these three tabs, you have home, who you're following, and your name. So your name has all of the pins that you have recently put on your page. So I actually use this for my job as a kindergarten teacher to get ideas for certain things and projects. So I actually have a kindergarten classroom pin board. To create a Pinterest board, you can go to this top left corner and hit this plus button, and then you will click create board. And to create a board, you just put a title right here. So I'm actually going to make one right now, Valentine's Day for kindergartners. Create. Try a different name for kindergarten. I'm actually just going to do a different name. Kindergarten. Create. And then if you go home, you can search for whatever you'd like to. So let's say I want to add to that board. I'm going to do Valentine's Day for kindergarten. And then you can search. You can see that there are different crafts and ideas that you can save to that board. You're going to click this arrow down and look for the board that you just created. I just created Valentine's Day for kindergartners. I'm going to save it. I can go back to my profile, find that board, and here's what I've added. And that is Pinterest for you.